Find or read reviews that people are talking of GKU D200 2.5K car dash cam front, FHD 1600p mini dash camera for cars. Why you choose GKU D200 2.5K car dash cam front? Below are some reasons why you should choose. FHD 2.5K resolution GKU 2.5K dash cam, equipped with 1600p ultra high definition lens, 170 degrees wide angle, using a high-performance sensor, a big f2.0 aperture 6 glass lens observing road front. Can clearly capture road signs or license plates around the car during the day and night. Powerful car or truck onboard cameras provide sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions. Voice broadcast. This car camera provides a variety of voice broadcasts and helps you to know the current status of the dash cam. If the collision reaches the set G sensor level, this smart dash cam will lock it and save it in the emergency lock folder. Built-in Wi-Fi and app control. Use the dedicated app Jarvis Cam, on App Store or Google Play, to view the 2.5K dash camera recordings and manage its settings on Android/iOS devices via built-in Wi-Fi. You can download videos recorded in 1600p quality directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Emergency recording. In the event of a collision, the variable sensitivity G sensor of the Wi-Fi dash cam auto detects sudden shake/collision and locks the footage in the event folder separately. This feature prevents the emergency video from being overwritten with normal loop recording. These emergency videos are important for police reports, accident reports, and compensation claims. Easy installation. Easily mount the dashcam Wi-Fi to your car windshield with the included 3M adhesive tape and electrostatic film without damaging your car, safe and secure. Insert the micro SD card, 32 to 128 gigabit, into the card slot and connect the car camera to the car charger cable. When you start the engine, this car camera will automatically turn on and record. Note: micro SD card is not included in the package. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important: don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.